and welcome into the Jaguar I-Pace. Let's talk about what I like and do not like about this car. First is the amazing power. 400 horsepower, 290 something kilowatt on 2 motors, all-wheel drive. And what's really amazing is that it puts the power down every little bit, and that feels amazing. There's a tiny bit of a lag when you press the accelerator pedal, but that's fine. It just propels you, and it does this even above 130 kilometers an hour. It feels really great, and it gets addictive. You just have to do it all the time. It's that EV grin, that instant torque, and the torque is 695 Newton meter. That's amazingly powerful. Hyundai Kona has 290, so it's 40% of what this car has. And this is a bit heavier, but still amazing power, and it's a lot of fun. Next thing is the ride quality. Bumps are really smoothed out very well. It's amazingly quiet. It feels very comfortable. The seats are good. I like that the motor is very quiet. So driving now, I'm driving 86. You can not hear it at all. When you accelerate, of course, a bit, but it's still really okay. It's not disturbing in any way. It feels awesome. I love the instrument cluster. There's just so much information and so many settings that can you change stuff, see the full map, and see media, and see this, and change this, 1 dial, 2 dial. Really amazing. You see everything. I love it. And now let's talk about the things I don't like about the I-Pace. The main thing is basic EV functions that the car should have. Charging speed display. I want to see how fast am I charging. This is important. Maybe the charger doesn't work right. Maybe you want to learn, okay, at this percentage it's not good to charge anymore because the charging speed is so slow, or it's too cold, anything like this. Yes, the battery is cooled and heated up for the battery to get most power and best charging speed, but I want to see that. And it would be very helpful, and it's very sad they didn't implement that. Number 2 is charging limit. You cannot select the charging limit. What if I want to charge only to 70%? If this is my daily driver, I wouldn't like that. That's a bit sad. Last thing about the main EV functions is you do not see your instant consumption driving. I want that. I want to see, okay, at this speed right now I'm consuming this much. That would be very interesting to me. I want to know that. Of course, the negative thing with this car is the range because of the high consumption. But again, Jaguar is a bit conservative, and so yes, they couldn't do the design as futuristic for an EV, so that the consumption would be less, and they gave it very big tires. But it is a downside to this car. Also is a bit of a problem, I think, is the interior light at night. There's only a light in the back and then a tiny light here in the front, and it's just not enough because of the glass roof. It's not a lot you can do. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.